man accused of killing United Healthcare CEO Brian Thompson in New York is now back in that city, facing a slew of additional charges. As Laura Geary explains, Luigi Mangione's defense team may claim New York authorities are overreaching on some counts, and one legal expert is saying that may be correct by design.
Luigi Mangione made his initial court appearance in New York this afternoon, where he faces a number of charges related to the shooting death of United Healthcare CEO Brian Thompson. He arrived in the Empire State shortly after noon Eastern on a small aircraft, accompanied by several law enforcement agents. He was quickly transferred to an NYPD helicopter for the final leg into the city. Hours earlier, he appeared before a Pennsylvania judge on state weapons and forgery charges there, and to finalize his transfer, while a few advocates gathered outside.
We wanted to use this moment to advocate for healthcare changes and hopefully, make some positive, goals with all of this situation.
Now in New York, Mangione faces more state and federal charges, including murder through use of a firearm, stalking, and terrorism.
That very high charge provides a lot of room for the prosecutors to negotiate a plea bargain because it's a charge that they could essentially walk away from in return for his, let's say, guilty plea to second-degree murder or something along those lines.
One key piece of evidence noted in the federal filing, Mangione's own written details of the alleged crime.
He said, you'll find the planning and the to-do lists and the other elements in the spiral notebook, which they make reference to in this federal complaint.
High-profile defense attorney Karen Friedman-Agnifilo will represent Mangione as the New York cases move forward. I'm Laura Aguirre reporting.
Mangione's attorneys told the judge they will not seek bail right now, but they reserve the right to do so later. He will be held in the Metropolitan Detention Center in Brooklyn, the only federal prison in New York City, and the same one where another high-profile client, Sean Diddy Combs, who is represented by the husband of Mangione's defense attorney, also waits trial.